What's up, guys? Today I will show you how to recover unsaved Word documents and Excel workbooks. Before you start using Word, it is important to set your autosave frequency time to a maximum of 3 minutes. On Office 2007, go to the Office Home button menu and select Word Options. Open the Save tab. Make sure that the Save Auto Recovery information box is checked, and change the time to a maximum of 3 minutes. I like using 2 minutes. Click OK to confirm. In Office 2021, and every version of Office from Office 2010, go to the File menu, and find Options. Select the Save tab, and change the auto recovery time to a maximum of 3 minutes. Personally, I prefer 2 minutes, then click OK. Similarly, in Excel 2021, and any other Office from Office 2010, find the Options button in the File menu. Click on the Save tab, and change the auto recovery information time to a maximum of 3 minutes, and then press OK. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thank you. So, in case of a power blackout, or if you accidentally fail to save your file, do not panic. Just launch your Word application normally, and open a blank document. Open the File menu and select Info. Click on Manage Document, and select Recover Unsaved Documents. All unsaved documents appear in ASD format. Sort according to the date, and find your document. Select, and say Open. Your document will open in Word, and you can save it now from here. Alternatively, use the normal method of saving a document. Go to Save As, and choose the location, and the document name, and then save it. If you are using Excel, and you accidentally forget to save, the procedure is almost the same. Just open your Excel application, and open a blank workbook. On the File menu, find Info, and select Manage Workbook. Please ignore this notification, and select Recover Unsaved Workbooks. If there is just one file available, select and open. Otherwise, sort them according to the date, and then open. Your unsaved workbook will open in Excel, and allow you to save from here, or use the normal way to save your Excel workbook. Well guys, I hope this has helped, and if so, please like, and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.